Yeah, so once you've unclipped it here from the spring, just kind of lift it off. I already taken all off, but yeah, just clipped on, lift it off, and that's it. Ooh, not a bad little collection forming here. So here's your seal. So this is nicely off. You basically pull it up. I'll show you in a minute, like you do with any other panel. But then, be careful, don't rip these valuable seals. See, they all come as one piece. Actually, this isn't one piece, so try and take them off. Try and take them off with these clips, so then it's easier to put them back on. So put your screwdriver in there, and that's it. It pulls out. So it's not part of this one. This one just comes off. And these little grommet things, yeah, just use this tool to be on the safe side. Put it in there, pull it off, nice and easy. Then your whole seal comes off just like that.